Today you're learning target for phonics is I can make words with the prefixes miss, mid, micro, and non. Those are all of the prefixes we've been learning this week. So you're going to drag and drop the prefixes to make a real word. So each of these is a base word. And when you drag and drop one of the prefixes, it makes a word that has a different meaning. So my turn, your turn. Let's read the base words. Year, stop, take, wave, read, match, week, fiction. So what I would do if I were you is to go through and say something like this. Miss year? Miss year does not sound right, but mid-year does. So what you want to do is see how when I go to the corner, I get this sort of black and white cross, and then I drag it over here. Mid-year. Miss stop? No. Non-stop? Yeah, that sounds right. So non-stop. Non-take? Mistake? Yes. Mistake. So you want to drag and drop all of the prefixes to the correct base words. And when you're done, read the words to yourself and then press the X and the blue turn-in button.